Well, it's 5:30 on a Sunday morning. That can only mean one thing. It's car boot time. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Dave Keith. This is Avernus Biker Lifestyle. Now, a few people have said that they quite like the footage of me going around a car boot, showing you in real time what I'm looking at and that kind of thing. So have a look what I'm picking up and all that kind of stuff. So what I'm going to do is strap the GoPro to my backpack again and take you around. And here we go.
Let him fly around like that.
Yeah, I've got change, mate. Oh, great, thank you. £5 that, please. Right there for 10. There's the £5. No worries.
No. You paid for this then?
That, mate. Do that for 50p, mate. That. 50p, mate. Six.
Have you got the remote for that?
What's that?
Have you got the remote for that?
No, it might be in a box somewhere, I don't know.
Yeah, no.
So,
How much you got on it?
what's that?
How much have you got on it?
Carry it for £2, mate.
Nice. Yeah, I'll take both of those.
50p. 52 that. So that was 5, 6, 7. Yep. What did I say? Yeah, 7. Sorry.
Cheers, Paul.
Alright, I'll leave it, mate. Cheers, man. Right, no worries.
I still live. How much have you got on that?
It's my sister selling it. She's just nipped to the car.
No worries, I can bump that. No, not worth it anyway. Yeah, how much you got on it?
I went to, what, 20 for it?
How much have you been?
£2. Actually, I don't think she's deleted the photos off it, I don't know.
Did you do 15?
No.
No worries.
No, £2.
What you got on those?
Me and Apple.
I have no idea. Wouldn't even like to hazard a guess.
15 quid. They've only been worn a few times.
Yeah, yeah. How much you got on that, Paul?
I've got 25 with it, it's activation lock. I've been trying to, some guy on Facebook said he could do it. I messaged him and never got back in touch.
Right, gotcha.
But 25, even the screens alone are worth 30 parts.
Yeah, yeah. I've never come across one that's activation lock before. What does that mean?
Which is basically, the previous one that I bought a bulk, I got all phones and everything included. You just didn't take the iCloud off it.
Yeah.
But you can contact iCloud yourself.
Yeah. How much going up at? Thank you. Go on, how much you got on your Xbox?
It's 100, but it's the Connect one as
Yeah.
well.
Yeah.
How much are your curtains? What? The one at the back? That's sold. It's coming back for that one. They're not long enough. See, I think it was a wide window, but not a deep window. Shame. Thank you.
How much you got in your football boots?
The newer ones that have had like less of a battery in them are £5, and then the ones that are a bit more worn are £3.
How much for those two? Love?
I'll give us £8 for them both.
Give you 6?
7. Should we meet in the middle?
Yeah.
How much are these? The whole lot together, 5. I've done one of these before. Absolute eye opener.
It really is.
Do you want me to come with you? I'll be alright. And I said, I'll be alright.
Some people are really vicious, aren't they?
Oh my god, I've already had a bit snipped.
Are you joking?
No, I can't have
Bloody
some
hell.
more.
I've only ever done it as a seller once, and as soon as you open the boot of the car, people are climbing all over you, aren't they? Thank you very much, lovely.
Thank you so much.
Have a good day. I hope it gets a little bit less stressful for you. That's it.
I've got the controls for that somewhere.
Have you? What have you got on it?
Finish?
What have you got on it?
On
How much is it? Would you hazard a guess where the controller for it is? Oh, you legend.
I'm literally. Thank you.
You're holding it together really well.
It's 40 quid to buy in the shop. 8 quid. It all folds up. They're for radiators.
How much is that, Pet?
£5. Pound a bottle. 20 quid a bottle. Thank you.
That's another boot sale done. Not too bad as far as pickups are concerned. I came to this place last weekend and I kind of thought, because the weather's been a bit crap the past few days, to go to an indoor boot sale, which was definitely a good move. When I came last week, I noticed that the mobile signal was rubbish, so brought my personal Wi-Fi along with me today, so that stood me in good stead. That's definitely a good point to note, guys. There's on Facebook, there's a group called Car Boot, a UK Car Boot Finder, something along those lines. It's a national group, and in there you'll find local car boots to yourselves. It's a good place to find out about car boots, is what I'm saying basically. I went on there and I found out about indoor car boots, because you can't really trust the weather in the UK, so it's always as well to have a bit of a plan and a bit of a backup. So as I've been going round, if you've noticed anything that I've missed, leave a comment in the comment section below just to let me know what I need to be looking out for next time. Always glad to get some feedback from you guys. And what we're going to do now is get everything home and go through what I've picked up, how much I've paid for it, and what kind of money I'm going to be listing it for. Here we go. So back home now, and after a brief spell of sunshine, it's back to chucking it down again. Deep joy. So like I say, what I'm going to do is take you through what I picked up, how much I paid for it, and how much I'm expecting it to sell for. This is the stuff. This is certainly not the biggest haul I've ever had by a long way, but some decent quality in there, some decent values as well. So going through it in no particular order. First off, picked up this wetsuit, got this on the video. I wouldn't have actually touched this if it wasn't for the fact that it's brand new, still got its tags on it. Paid up for it a little bit, £5. I thought that was a safe bet anyway. Turned out not as safe a bet as I thought. This is testament to the fact that you should always check your comps. Still, profit nonetheless. So £5 paid for it, and I'm looking at a sell price of that for £20. Moving around, I don't think I've got this on the video actually. This is a Hitachi DZ GX 5060E. That's that one. A DVD camcorder. I picked these up before and they're always good news. I paid up for it a little bit at £10, and that's going to be going out the door for at least £30 plus the postage. Might even go up to £40 for that, which is still very good value for an item of that nature. Moving along, Panasonic stereo system. Fortunately, this one has got the remote. Definitely needs a wipe down. There's no damage to it, or no serious scratches, but it's obviously been under the stairs for some time. It's got DAB radio on it as well. Pretty good result on that actually. Paid £4 for it, and I'm looking at a return of £40 to £50 sale. You'd probably seen me listing these in the videos in the past. Harry Potter's. It's going to be hardback. This one actually hasn't got a dust cover, so that devalues it slightly. But flicking through to the obvious, this is what you're looking for. First edition. Yeah, first edition. So that's I bought that for £1, and not massive profit because there's no dust jacket and there's a little bit of wear to it, but I can still be expecting up to a tenner for that. A couple of pairs of football boots, both Nike. These are the Tempo. This is a UK size 8 and the other one's a UK size 9. These are in great condition, just obviously need a wipe down. So both of those I think I bought those together for £6 or £7. That's in the video as well. And the yellow boots will go out the door for £17, and the black, because they're in really good condition, probably looking at 20. Next one, old tech, but still a market for it. It's an old MP3 player. This one's by Creative. I checked the comps on that. It's actually a lot better than I thought it was. So I paid £5 for this, which for old tech, probably, I mean, ideally you want to be paying less than that, but even so, I checked the comps on it before I parted with my money, and there's actually sold completed listings for this of anywhere between 25 and 50 quid. So I'll be pitching somewhere in the middle there, plus postage, try and maximise my return. With all the bits and pieces, I'll include the headphones, but obviously people, for hygiene reasons, people tend to sack them off kind of thing. But car charger cables in there too, and whatever that is, that's the dock for it as well. So all nice and complete and in its original box. So I'm confident of a good high-end sale for that. Last on the list, this is a Sony DVD recorder. This particular model is the RDR-GX120. DVD recorders still are really good news, particularly Sony, very good brand. This one didn't have the remote for it. I might, depending on how much it increases the value, I might look to see if I can get a second-hand remote for it. The good news was I paid just £2 for it, and that'll be going out for £40 to £50. Obviously all this stuff needs cleaning up before I list it, take some nice pictures, and away we go. So one of the main reasons for doing today's video is that people have been telling me that they enjoy being able to see me going round and what I'm looking at, that kind of thing. I'm not saying what I'm looking at as a be-all that ends all. I'm sure that there's some items that I missed in the video that you guys have spotted. If that's the case, I'd really like you to leave a comment below to see if you spotted anything that I missed. Now these items probably won't get pictured and listed until tomorrow now. Today is an Amazon day. I've got quite a bit of stock to send into my Amazon store, so I'll be on with that. Enjoy the rest of your Sunday, folks. Thanks very much indeed for watching. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you aren't already, and I will see you guys in the next one. Adios.